I've noticed on Amazon that there are quite a few fake listings of this product, and I've noticed that there are also quite a few of those fake products actually having lots of heat problems and bubbling up and causing burns and stuff. So I thought I'd show you what a real product looks like. As you can see here, it's got the Dell logo right on the front. The cable itself is quite a high quality cable. Kind of zoom in here so you can see. It does not come out. An easy way that I've noticed to tell is check the sticker on the back and make sure that all of this matches up. Obviously, some of the lettering down here is going to be different, but it should say Dell. It should say 130 watt. It should have this barcode this QR code right here. It should look similar on yours as well. Overall, this one feels very high quality. It's a very thick piece of plastic. The wire itself feels also very high quality. It's also quite a long wire. It's got this little hook on the end of it and a light on both sides of this USB-C power port on the other end. On the bottom here, as you can see, it's got a 3-prong power inlet. So it's a very simple device, but just to give you all a little bit of an overview, this is what a real one looks like. Look for the Dell logo. Look for the Dell logo. Look for the QR code. Look for the sticker and check everything. But yes, hopefully this helps.